When we think of glass production, we always imagine these red, hot gobs falling down that are later being shaped into bottles. But there is much more than that. In order to produce glass, you also need raw materials and consumables. You can't have one without the other. That is why we are now in the warehouse of AKMOS company. Here the company stores the release agents, the lubricants, the coatings, the cleaning agents used in the glass production. Now, you need to be very careful here, because if something goes wrong, you only have 20 seconds to leave. Hello glass industry, it's Mark from Glass of Mould here in Bremen. And behind me is the headquarters of AKMOS Chemie Company. As we usually say in Glass of Mould, we believe that transparency is the key. So today we decided to come to Bremen and visit this wonderful company. Here is where the whole magic happens. The laboratory of AKMOS Chemie Company. Here they develop new products, they test them out, and they assure the best quality. Around 30% of the team are working right here, every day developing new products. And so far they have developed 850 of them that are being offered to the customers, using 600 different raw materials and components. Crazy.
AKMOS is constantly investing in the necessary analysis and production technology. The state-of-the-art laboratory equipment enables them to carry out not only a wide range of analysis for product development, but also quality monitoring of production and flexible sample preparation for the customers. Well-experienced team and established processes enable AKMOS to develop products in a very short time and ensure a consistent production quality. After the laboratory, we've headed to the production floor. All the weighing and dosing equipment, as well as dispersing and stirring systems, are very modern, and thanks to that, the company's production capacity reaches more than 10,000 tons a year. And yes, AKMOS ships globally, and on top of that, they can provide customers technical support in any global location. After the product is ready, a sample of it is sent back to the laboratory for quality check. Only when all the properties of the product are thoroughly tested, it is packed and sent to the customer.
At the beginning of the video, I promised you that we will show you how the AKMOS Chemie products are actually used. Welcome everybody to the HEINZ GLAS plant here in Tettau, Germany.
Our mission was to deliver the latest development of AKMOS to be tested on production. This was the newest mould coating that doesn't require a lubrication without having a negative impact on the production process. Sounds unbelievable, right? However, the long-term testing proves that depending on the article and process, the molds can be run without any lubrication for up to 24 hours after installation. The benefits of this are obvious. The longer the lubrication cycle is, the lower consumption of mould lubricant and the higher the savings are. But there is more to it than that. Less lubricant means less contamination in the mould, which ensures a longer mould service life. By the way, let me guide you through the process of mould coating application. In the first step, mould must be properly cleaned. A metallically clean and grease-free surface is a basis for an optimal application and a long service life of the coating. Blasting with abrasive materials, such as sand, metal balls or glass beads, is the usual method to achieve that. If the mould surface seems to be too rough after blasting, it can be repolished. Before applying the coating, a chemical cleaning or degreasing is recommended to eliminate possible dust or grease residues. An important aspect that is often not considered in practice is the stirring of the container content before applying the coating. For spray cans and smaller containers, this can be done by shaking it manually, but for containers of 5 kg and more, it is easier to make with a stirring device. After the mold surface is free of dust and grease, you can spray the coating on the shaping mold surface as well as on the space between the mold halves. But make sure you put it in a very thin layers. The motto, less is more, applies here perfectly. After the application, the coating must be polymerized at a temperature between 300 to 400 degrees Celsius for approximately 1 hour. And that's it. Later, the mold can be preheated and installed as usual.
So, that's it. Let's make a short recap. We have successfully visited the AKMOS Chemie company in Bremen. We have seen how the consumables for the glass industry, like lubricants, release agents, cleaning agents, and coatings are being developed in the laboratory. We have seen how they are produced, how the quality assurance is done, how they are packed, and how they are shipped. And the best part was that we had the unique chance to actually see where and how these products are used here at HEINZ GLAS plant, also in Germany. This was only possible thanks to one person. Please welcome Marina Littau. Hi Marina.
Hi.
Thank you so much for making this possible.
You're welcome.
And
Thank you.
Yes, it's such a pleasure that we've managed to film everything.
I think it was a great experience for both of us.
Yeah.
It was great to share our company details with you, with your followers, and as you say, this was the unique opportunity to see the use of our products. And look forward to next step, to next projects, and thank you.
Exactly. So don't forget to check out the products from AKMOS right on Glass Open Book, and don't forget to share this video with your colleagues. It's been Mark from Glass Open Book. See you somewhere else. Goodbye.
Bye bye.